Health leaders in Southeast Missouri say getting to a doctor's appointment can be challenging, especially for maternal care.
But a new mobile health clinic is working to bring that care closer to home. Ellie Mueller is live in the studio now with more details.
Jeff and Kathy, the clinic made their third stop of the year at Country Pickens Flea Market in Poplar Bluff, bringing services to an area where organizers say transportation can be a challenge. Tuesday's maternal health mobile clinic stop at Country Pickens Flea Market wasn't chosen by chance.
We're always doing something to help, and this is just another way we could be part of that.
Market manager Christina Van Leer says when coordinators reached out, she did not hesitate to host the mobile clinic. It features 2 private exam rooms, fully equipped to care for prenatal, postpartum, and primary care patients. Van Leer says the market already functions as a community hub, and providers can meet patients where they are.
Especially with our store here on the south side, a lot of people over here don't have vehicles, and so this is fantastic because they can walk over here if they need to.
Van Leer says hosting the unit removes a barrier many face.
They don't have to schedule appointments waiting weeks or months out to be able to see, so they get the care they need when they need it.
Access to maternity care remains a challenge in rural areas. Data shows 11% of babies were born in rural counties, but less than 4% of maternity care providers practice in the area. Community engagement coordinator for Mission Mobile Medical, Megan Tucker, says the clinic is about breaking barriers and improving access.
So, access kind of in our rural communities, access is really means being a chance to be seen, a chance to be screened, a chance to be treated, to receive care before small concerns become large, serious concerns.
Tucker says bringing the clinic to Poplar Bluff, Doniphan, and Piedmont is just one way to narrow the gap, one stop at a time.
It's connecting people to broader healthcare systems. It's a pathway. It's linking individuals to trusted providers and community health clinics in our area, and for them to be able to have quality care.
The mobile clinic will regularly visit 10 locations over the next year in Poplar Bluff, Doniphan, and Piedmont. You can find more online at MissouriHighlandsHealthcare.com. Live in the studio, Ellie Mueller, Heartland News.
Ellie, thank you.